Welcome to Frog Furnishings and assembly guidance for our 32-gallon standard round receptacle. Be sure to install your receptacle on a flat and level surface. Unpack the contents of your container box and ensure all pieces are included. Please read the assembly instructions and follow all directions. There are 4 vertical planks, each measuring 33 inches, 20 planks, each measuring 32 inches, 1 top ring, 1 bottom ring, and 1 lid. There are also 56 1/4 inch T-nuts, 56 1/4 inch flat washers, and 56 1/4 inch hex cap screws. The recommended tools for assembly are a powered driver drill with a 7/16 inch socket and a Phillips head bit. Before beginning assembly, it helps to pre-seat the T-nuts for easier installation. Take the bottom ring and place it flat on your work surface. On the inside of the ring, align a T-nut with a pre-drilled hole, with the prongs facing into the ring. Using a mallet, gently tap the T-nut to secure it in place. Repeat this for each of the T-nut locations around the ring. Now begin assembly. Take one of the 33-inch planks and align it vertically on the outside of the ring. Make sure the non-routered edge is facing downward. Insert a hex cap screw with a flat washer through each of the 2 mounting holes in the plank and through the matching holes in the bottom ring. The screw should pass cleanly into the preset T-nut on the inside of the ring. Using your driver, tighten the screw until the T-nut is snug and flush with the inside of the ring. Do not over-tighten. Repeat this process for the second cap screw and for the remaining 3 longer planks. You should now have 4 vertical planks attached to the bottom ring. Next, place the top ring inside the 4 installed planks. Align the pre-drilled holes in the top ring with those in the planks. Attach the ring using hex cap screws, flat washers, and T-nuts. Now take a 32-inch plank and place it flat against the top and bottom rings in the notched space between the longer planks. Align the pre-drilled holes. Secure using hex cap screws, flat washers, and T-nuts. Using your driver, tighten the screw until the T-nut is snug and flush with the inside of the ring. Do not over-tighten. Repeat this step for each of the remaining planks, working all the way around the frame, and attach the remaining planks. Finally, insert the liner if one was ordered, and place the lid on top. Assembly is now complete. Enjoy your premium Frog Furnishings Standard Round Receptacle.